What I wanted to show you here today is remote control of a tablet to provide support for your technically challenged loved one. In the past, I've used a product called Splashtop, which can remotely view and control your loved one's PC. But for iPads and iPhones, I haven't had a way other than there are some ways to view it. If I had them go through kind of a complex procedure of having them broadcast. But let me show you how you can do it with a Samsung tablet which has Knox security, and I'm going to use the screensaver off here, right here. It's called SOS Splashtop. It brings up a code. On my end, I go into my SOS app here, put in the same code. And so they would have to call me and to give me that code, then they'd have to approve the request. Once they do that, I can see their screen. You can see now I can go to the home screen. I could look at other screens, click on icons and give them help. So the main thing to see here is I not only can see what they're having as a problem, but I can control it. And that works because of Samsung's Knox security with Splashtop's SOS on-demand family support.